Morning students. Today we are going to discuss about third software economic parameter, that is improving team effectiveness. There are five software economics. First one is size, second one is process, third one is personal. Personal means staff or team members. Fourth one is environment, fifth one is quality. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about personal. Personal means staff. How to improve staff or teams or the software professionals their effectiveness. Okay, team management includes the following. Here, one thing you should remember: the development of software project is purely based on intellectual skilled work. Any kind of project is going to develop or going to become success with a complete and dedicated teamwork. So a well-managed project can succeed with a nominal engineering team. So here you should remember that if the project is strongly designed, strongly managed, then definitely a nominal or minimal knowledge team can lead the project. So if everything is clearly designed, the modules, the softwares and procedures and everything database clearly designed by the designers or architects, then it is going to become success with the nominal team, nominal engineering team. They have skills are very less, even though they can improve the project, they can design the project successfully. Second, mismanage the project. If the project is not designed properly, if it has some problems, if it has some bugs, if it has some ambiguity, then definitely the project cannot be completed. The project cannot be success. The project cannot produce good results, even though expert engineer teams are available. Another one, a well-architected system can be built nominal team software builders. As I already told you, the project is strongly designed, modules and their internal uh, functions, algorithms, everything is strongly designed, use cases, etc. Then at that time, even though nominal software builders can also design the project, poorly architected system will flounder even with an expert team or builders are available. If you properly know each and every algorithm or concept, definitely you will get the solution. If anything is misplaced, definitely it cannot be produce good results. That everyone knows. Even as a student, you should know the good program comes through a good algorithm. If the algorithm have some problems, errors, or mistakes, definitely the program also will have same thing. So the team effectiveness is based on five staffing principles. Barry Boehm offered the following five staffing principles. Barry Boehm suggested five important principles. First one, first principle that top talent. Use better and fewer people instead of using several members. Use better teams, fewer teams. So instead of using 20 persons, use only 10 staff members, 10 software engineers, those who have sound knowledge, sound skills, better skills. So they can design the project successfully. That is the aim of Barry Boehm. Barry Boehm suggested that instead of using several people, use better people to get the success. Second principle, job matching. Fit the tasks to skills and motivation of the people available. So you have to utilize, you have to use the perfect staff members for a specific work. If the project is Java related project, you have to use Java technology software engineers. Those who know Java language, you have to use them. If you use another skilled persons, definitely it will take more time because they have to learn and they have to do the work. So instead of using other technology people, use the right technology staff members so that they will exactly match the work. Job matching means the person who are going to match the work, then you have to use them. Those who are suitable for particular software components or particular job work, they have to use in that place. Third one, principles of career progression. An organization does the best long run helping people of the self actualize. So, the software organization should support the software engineers, helping them in self assessment, self improvement of the software engineers. It is a management related principle. You have to encourage, you have to uplift the organization of the software engineers for their better enhancement and progression, career progression. Fourth one, principle of team balance. Select the people who will com- uh, complement and harmonize with one another. So, people inside the team members should encourage each other. So, always the good team members, there should be strong coordination among individuals. Suppose if the team size is five software members are working inside the team, each other should cooperate each other, each should complement each other so that they will work. Suppose one member is lagging, one doesn't know a particular task, so the other fellow has to help the other person so that mutually they will cooperate each other, then they should develop the work so that good and quality product will be released. It includes following dimensions include raw skills, psychological makeup, objectives. Fifth, principle of face out, keeping of misfit and the doesn't benefit anyone. So if the particular person is not suitable, we have to replace other. So you should not continue the same person even though if it does not fit for the software project. So keeping a misfit and the team doesn't benefit anyone. Misfit person definitely no use. If particular person is not suitable in that team, so you have to keep aside. If you continually continuing the same person in the team, no use at all. So, according to Barry Bohem's, he gave five staffing principles. What are five principles of top talent? Principles of job matching, principles of career progression. Fourth one, principle of team balance. Last one, principle of phase out. What in by principle of top talent? Use better and fewer people instead of using more people. Use less people and quality people. That is Barry Bohem suggested. Second, principle of job matching. If the project is Java related work, you have to use only the technology who knows Java. Use only that people inside the development work. Third, principle of career progression. The software organization should protect and they have to uplift the software persons. Fourth, principle of team balance. So, among inside the team members, so each and everyone should work. So, harmonize and complement each other. So, mutually they should work each other. Last principle of phase out, keeping misfit on the team does not benefit anyone. Misfit, the person who is not at all suitable inside the team, definitely keep aside. Should not continue always. So these are the top five principles provided by the Barry Bohems. Okay. So next class we'll see how to improve the environments. Okay, right.